we in Raleigh, Church's Chicken. Move your big hand. She done ate 8 pieces of chicken. What? Your eye bread looking. Moses back there eating. Messiah, he mad. King back there asleep. I don't know if you can see. And the other baby sleep. Varus over there.
I'm trying to biscuit taste.
She greedy. She done ate 8 pieces of chicken.
What you?
No, she didn't. She ate 2-piece chicken.
Honey.
You could tell it was something on the biscuit.
Bar. That bitch is good.
How much was that?
Better than Popeyes. Better. They honey got honey like.
Let me try a piece. Let me drive.
How much was the biscuit?
69 cents. Hey! I'm gonna get me 5.
Well, get me one. Damn, you is greedy.
I'm gonna get me some more wings too. I don't care. I do care a little bit.
Dang, slow down.
Yo, how you do all, baby?
Now you ain't pregnant no more now. Oh, nigga, get a cup of
I'm
ice.
about good today, so.
Get a cup of ice and see how that is. They got that crushed ice.
No, dude.
Huh?
Look at him.
Oh, look at them fat jaws. Oh, he ain't pissy. Got to say something for King.
I'm gonna get him something else.
Girl, you better stop spending all this money. You